What happens when there's nothing left to do? Not just you and me, I mean all of us humans, as AI starts to gradually take over the things that we've done for years. This video is about something much deeper than job losses. It's about what makes us human and how we might lose it if we're not careful. I believe there's a fire burning inside each and every one of us. Now, for some people, that's like a furnace. For other people, it's just a flicker. But regardless, it's there, and it's our creativity, our drive, and our individuality. And as machines become more capable, I think that protecting that fire is one of the most important challenges we face. Because as intelligent technology continues to evolve and develop, the real risk isn't AI itself, it's redundancy. We've survived wars, economic collapses, and global pandemics, but AI is different. It's progressing so quickly that even just keeping up with it has become a full-time job. Robotics, automation, and language models, this isn't just about office workers being replaced. Gardeners, builders, couriers, and teachers, as this technology progresses, everyone's going to be in the firing line. So what happens when AI and robotics can do it all, when we're no longer needed in a system that we were raised to serve and be a part of? One solution being floated is called Universal Basic Income, or UBI. Essentially, what it would mean is governments paying for us just to live. Rent, food, clothing, bills, that kind of thing. Sounds great, right? You got money coming into your account every month to pay for things, and there's no work that we need to do. But then what? It's so easy to romanticize that ideal, but I think we're underestimating the psychological cost of being idle. Because we're not built to sit idle. We're problem solvers, makers, thinkers, and creatives. When we stop doing that, things go wrong. During COVID, we got a taste of this. Many governments were paying people to stay at home. But what did we have? We had mental health problems, we had relationship breakdowns, and we had addiction. Now, that was just a temporary scenario. The fire inside us all, the need to do something meaningful, doesn't go away just because our bills are getting paid. And that's why I keep coming back to this metaphor, the fire, because I see it in everyone who creates, builds, and makes things. And that's not about jobs, it's about agency. We need to feel like we matter, like we're shaping things, even in tiny ways. And while that's dependent on what people do in their current jobs, most people get at least some opportunity to feed into that. They get some kind of creative input. It could be contributing to a business idea, making a little drawing, even creating a desk in the way that makes you feel comfortable. These are all acts of agency. We do them every day, but we do them in a way that we know we're working towards something, we're adding to something, contributing. But here's the good news. If we plan for this shift and prepare for it, not just financially, but mentally, we could end up in a much better world. A post-employment future doesn't have to be dystopian. But, it will be if we don't start to redefine what work is and what it means. In the long-term future, we may not need jobs for money, but we'll never lose the need for passion-driven work. Creating, making, helping. Not because we have to, but because we want to and because it fulfills us. Right now we're in a transition and jobs are starting gradually to disappear. But it's what we do over the coming decades that will shape our future. Because I don't think the danger is AI. I think the danger is not knowing who we are in a system that no longer needs us. So ask yourself, what lights that fire inside you? What would you make or create if you had the time? What is your passion? What would you engage in if you could? These are the things that we all need to start thinking about as we move slowly but surely into this future. Because I think that fire is the only thing that's going to keep us going in a post-employment world. And so we really need to start stoking it now. Anyway, thanks for listening. Like and subscribe if this has hit a nerve with you, and let's keep that fire burning together. This video was based on my writing over at layeredfuture.com. If you'd like to explore the full article or browse through other topics, you'll find it all there.